Hi, everyone, and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom. Today's topic is guilt, and it comes from one of the classics that was written by the famous Iron Man duo David Michelinie and Bob Layton. This storyline is known as Stark Wars, but it is now more popularly known as Armor Wars. The premise of the story is that Iron Man, aka Tony Stark's technology, has been used to harm the innocents against humanity without his knowledge. His tech was stolen from his office premises or his different branches, and then it was used in a sinister way. But when he learns about it, he is not only outraged, but he is now carrying with him a very strong sense of guilt. Now, in that respect, the entire story proceeds whereby he is trying to overcome his guilt. Guilt is something which is part of humanity. There can be hardly any person in the history of this planet who can claim themselves to be guilt free. And it can be transpired by many incidences. It can happen. It can happen through our conscious efforts that are not ideal, and it can also happen subconsciously. So this story is where, upon realizing that how much of that had been used for sinister motives, in that respect, he was already on the path to correct his ways, to make sure that his technology, not weaponry, but technology, is a means to a peace rather than further bloodshed, further warfare, further geopolitical gains, and so forth. But when he notices that something was happening right under his nose, and he came to know about it quite later, so he naturally, for a superhero such as him, he takes it upon himself to correct the situation. And in the process, he is thinking that his guilt that's killing him from within will fade away, because he has corrected the situation. He has tried to ensure that this situation never happens again. He has tried to basically, as much as possible, compensate the people who have been his victims, directly or indirectly, overtly or covertly. But this story takes a deep dive, and this is the beauty of it. Tony Stark has been known to be someone who suffers from depression, and his Demon in the Bottle storyline is a classic because it takes a look into the situation of a person who's suffering from depression. But what might be something that has the same amount of effect as depression would, and it's that burden of guilt that one would keep within itself. And a lot of individuals have ended up trying to fight it, trying to eliminate it, trying to make sure that it gets erased from inside of them so that they can find inner peace and happiness. But that's not the way how it works. My favorite part is the last panel, which happens to be from the issue Iron Man number 232, written by David Michelinie, but in this particular issue, the art is done by Barry Windsor Smith. And Bob Layton has done the ink art. So this was a deadly combination. Tony wakes up from a nightmare. And it is during that nightmare that he comes face to face with his guilt. I'll start reading the entire panel. The worst bloody nightmare I've had in my life. Thought the armor wars were over now that I've got my stolen technology back. But I still felt restless, uneasy. Like, who am I kidding? I felt guilty. All the people who suffered because of those stolen inventions, battered, maimed, because of weapons I created. Thought I was strong enough to fight the guilt, to deny it. But it kept gnawing at me like, well, some insatiable beast. Guess my subconscious was smarter than I was. It knows I can never destroy the beast. All I can do is accept it, admit it as a part of me, reconcile, and then get on as best as I can with the rest of my life. Deep words. They say that the first step of curing a disease is to acknowledge that the disease exists. I guess the same is true for the inner burden of guilt. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next week for another episode of Wednesday Wisdom.